Oh man, I just deleted a YouTube video that I worked really hard on and I need to get it back. Does anyone know if there's a way to get a deleted YouTube video back? Well, I'm Mr. Goody and we're going to team up together today and we're going to show all of you people out there how to recover your deleted YouTube videos that you worked so hard making. Welcome everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted video on YouTube. A lot of people will tell you it's not possible, but as of November the 6th, 2021, it is definitely possible. I know this because I accidentally deleted a video that I put a lot of work and effort in, and I was able to retrieve it and get it back. One of the first things you want to do is click on your channel icon and it should bring up a sub menu, and you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says help and go ahead and click on that, and it will bring you up to contact us. Now in the video description you can put a lot of different things, but what I put was deleted videos, and then you click next, and I put other, and I click next. It gave me an option of chat, or you can email, will work the same way, but I chose chat, and it will want you to enter your channel ID or your channel URL, which is your channel address. And then you talk to a representative and they will email you back. And they will email you back an email that looks kind of like this. And it happens rather quickly, usually within 24 hours. I even emailed them on a Sunday and got this quickly, within 24 hours. And I signed the form that they wanted me to sign, and then they restored my video. One thing I almost forgot to mention is that you have to be in the YouTube Partner Program for them to help you and restore your video. But once you are, you can see that they restore the video and put it back in exactly the place from which it was deleted. Hope this helps.